Hi guys, I'm Jeshua Pinto, currently in first year, studying in the field of arts in Loyola College, Chennai. I'm also part of the Loyola College basketball team. I practice for 5 to 6 hours daily. So it's a big transition coming back to Goa for the lockdown. I try to keep myself fit at home. In the mornings, I work on my physique and jump. I do jump squats, wall squats, push-ups, pull-ups, back extension exercises, and core workouts. In the evenings, I work on my ball handling skills and agility and speed. And for the rest of the hours of the day, I help in housework. I also practice drums daily.
My name is Shemei and my name is Shemei, and we both represent Goa at the national level for basketball, although I focus on athletics more. Even though the world's at a standstill with the COVID-19 pandemic, we are still able to stay on top of our game with our fitness routine. Our fitness routine mainly includes increasing our stamina with endurance runs. We improve our dribbling and shooting skills at home, in and around our colony. We also strengthen specific muscles and do a full body workout in the gym. In our free time, we watch NBA, FIBA and other basketball videos online so we can learn drills and implement them in our game once the lockdown is lifted. During this lockdown, we are making the best of what is available to us to be prepared for the upcoming matches.